Hey, Kate here from WTI. Now, I don't know about you, but music makes everything better, and I am so impressed with this speaker from MusiBaby. So this is a Bluetooth speaker, very small and portable, but there are a few features that make this exceptional. The biggest one for me is that it is 100% waterproof. So it doesn't matter what the weather's like outside. It can be raining, it can be snowy. You can put this in the shower. I love listening to music in the shower or to a podcast. You can take this to the beach, by the pool, on a hike. It doesn't matter what life throws at you. You know that this little baby will be nice and safe. It's very tough and it's waterproof. So no worries that it's gonna get damaged with water. It's really easy to use. It's Bluetooth connected. Another really cool feature is that if you have two of these, they can pair together. So you can basically have surround sound with these two little speakers. The sound quality is awesome. It's really loud. So if you're taking this outside and you want to have some music in your backyard or something like that, this is perfect for that as well. It's easy to hook on your bag or on your bike, take this on the go. It also has a 24-hour battery life. That is a lot of showers if you're leaving this in your shower. So it's got a really nice long-lasting battery. So if you're looking for something that's very small, easy to take with you, rugged, waterproof, easy to use, I think you'll love this. I'm really honestly impressed. I think it's awesome. And that's my point of view.